especially like to thank at Java that's here with me. Thanks, Jolan, for the opportunity. And we are broadcasting directly from the Developers Conference here in São Paulo, Brazil. And I'm here with Everton Tavares.
Hello, everybody.
How are you doing, man? Good?
Good, good.
So
I'm happy to be here in TDC.
Nice, excellent. So we are here at Night Hacking, and Everton gave a talk this morning on the DevOps track and talking about how you can implement DevOps when your customer does not want.
Yes.
Is it possible to do DevOps when the customer doesn't want?
Yeah, because DevOps is not only on in production, and we can adopt the tools and techniques on another environments.
Right. So you can do it in testing and
Yeah,
development.
testing, development.
Right.
That not in our case, the problem of development was solved with DevOps.
Right.
The Docker and another tools.
Okay, so you use the Docker and several other tools to implement DevOps on your development environment. Because really, if you do on the development environment, later on it's a lot easier to move to testing, quality assurance, and production eventually.
Yeah.
Right.
The talk is about experience that I have. On 2014, I was on TDC, and I go to my job. So excited to implement DevOps on my company.
Right.
And so because
so first thing, why were you excited about implementing DevOps? You heard here in the talk, you got interested, but what you thought? Oh man, this is really good for me.
Yeah, well, the possibility to automate entirely the system and stop to lose time with manual things.
Right.
Is very good to my job to use this time to study, to improve my system.
Right.
And this is the best thing that I see on DevOps.
Excellent. So, automate things, you automate your whole pipeline.
Yes.
You press a button, go do something else, right? No, repeat.
Yeah.
Right? No, yes, okay. So you saw all of these, and then you come back to your customer and say, hey, look at this. Wonderful. Let's do it.
Yeah, I have this possibility. I started a new project, and the customer, no, here no. I have a sysadmin that will deploy the system.
Right. We want to do it manually, right?
Yeah.
No, we're not going to do anything automated. It's too dangerous.
Yeah.
Right. So we're just going to do manually. We're going to repeat. We're going to make mistakes manually. No.
Has someone on this company kid here has the privilege to do the deploy. Right. Has the privilege to insert a new column on some table on database.
Yeah. So the customer, I want to be stuck with that guy.
Yeah.
If he goes on vacation, I can't deploy anymore. Right?
Exactly.
Yes. Okay. So then he says no. And what did you do?
We see that problem, and I think that forget. I can't automate the deploy. I can automate the database migration, but we have another problems. On development, you have to access the database with a VPN.
Right.
And the VPN always down, and the development stopped when the VPN down.
Right.
And I started to get the database and put on a Docker machine.
Right.
To have the control on my development system.
Yeah. So basically, you say, okay, I'm not going to access your database anymore. Just get the data and put here in this little Docker environment, and I can just access locally.
Yes, I put on a Docker, I automate the with
Flyway.
Flyway.
Right. I saw your talk. You see?
Oh,
I saw your talk. Yeah. So you automate with Flyway,
yeah,
and then you are able to bring the data into your own Docker environment.
exactly. And the VPN problems stop it.
Right.
The development
Goes faster.
yes goes faster, and the team will be the team has more happy.
So your team is happier, more productive.
Yes.
You deliver software earlier to your customer. The customer is happier.
Yes.
So everyone is happier.
Yes.
Okay, good. So now that's what your first step.
Yes.
Bring the database. What else did you do?
The database, and we, the database has success. After this, we put the system WebLogic, the
The application server?
application server on a Docker machine. Oracle has a Oracle no Red Hat.
Oracle Cloud?
Oracle has a image
Oh, an image, yes.
that has solved our problem.
Okay, cool. So actually Oracle has a WebLogic image
Yeah.
written by the guy has the same name as me, as Bruno Borges, right? So Bruno Borges did a Docker container image for WebLogic, and so you
Yeah.
use that one.
Yes.
Yes, excellent.
And that solved our problem.
Right. So now you have a WebLogic server, a database server, each one in their own Docker container,
Yeah.
and you're automating all of these. So what do you use this for? For development and testing, whatever.
For development, for testing, for test the problems with the database access, because when a database down, we need to access another database.
Right.
And then with Docker, it's so easy because we only stop the database, and another database will.
Oh, because you're testing like load balancing,
Yeah.
high availability of the database. That's pretty cool. That's a cool idea. So with containers, you can easily connect one, disconnect another one, and see how everything works. Yes. Excellent. Excellent. Very good. And was your customer happy with all of that?
Yes, but he don't adopt the Docker.
He didn't adopt Docker for
No,
production yet, right?
no.
Well, it's one step at a time.
Yeah.
As you know, we did your part. You're gonna do another part. That's excellent. So do you suggest to other developers that they should try to implement DevOps in their companies?
Yeah, I suggest to go step by step. You can adopt Docker on a side of the system, on the database, on the server, not only on entire system at the same time. You can do this only by your development. You can do this always to production. You can get the benefits of the Docker, of the DevOps systems, not only to production, to continuous integration, to continuous deployment.
Excellent. Okay, so that's Everton, a speaker for the DevOps track here at TDC. And thanks a lot, Everton. Thanks for being here with us. And very, very good that you're taking responsibility for your code, and you're taking responsibility for your project, and you're making your customer happy, your team happy. That's excellent. Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you.